Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am building new Litecoin earning website. You can earn 100 to 200 Litecoin Satoshi every 15 minutes via Termux. So don't skip video. I will show the other process how you can earn from this website and how you can get withdraw. So let's move to our video. First off, you have required website link which is in description. You can directly go from there. Okay, so here you can see the interface of this website. This website is legit and paying to users. Here you can see the payment proof. Already paid to many users. This website is legit. You can check out as well. So now first off, you have need to create your account. So just click on menu bar and click on sign up to create account. By provide here your username, email address, password. Select your gender, select your country, and solve captcha. Agree terms and conditions, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, here you can say my account is login successful. You can check out my balance. 6,750 bits, which equal to 6,750 Litecoin Satoshi, which I totally earned from Termux. You can also earn unlimited through Termux as well. Here you can see the earning option. You can earn through roll faucet and you will get random price about your lucky numbers. Okay, but don't worry, we will run this website in Termux. Okay, so now to show you the payment proof. Okay, without 50 claim you can't get withdraw from this website, but don't worry, we will run this website in Termux. Don't worry, it will be auto roll and you can easily claim at 50 faucet. Then you can get withdraw easily. Just click on withdraw and select here faucet pay, in which you can get withdraw. Then just click on withdrawal. Okay, here you can see minimum withdraw is 0.001 Litecoin Satoshi, which you can earn in just one day easily. Then just click here to set your address. Just set here your address and just click on withdraw your account. Your payment directly sent in your faucet pay account. Okay, so now I'll show you the all process how you can get withdraw. And here's the many earning option. Here's the best option is contest. You can contest between users and you can earn huge amount. Okay, so now to run this website in Termux, you have required just script file not directly provided in description. You have need to download manually from my website. So go to your browser which you use, then just search here ubktech.online. okay, here you can see ubktech.online. so just open it. Then you will see first post, so open it. You will get your script file. In this article, open it, you will get your script file. Or if you are watching after many days, you can search from here. Here you can see the search icon and type here LTC, then just click on search and you will see the post. Just open it and scroll down. In this post you have need to download your script file and also password provided here, which will be work in Termux. Okay, so after downloading script, open your any Explorer APK which you use. Open, then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, here you can see the script file which is in zip format. First off, you have need to unzip it. Okay, delete first existing folder. Okay, so now just click on zip file to extract it. Then just click on more, then click on extract, then press on OK. Script file unzip successful. Then open unzip folder, then now press on folder, click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay, script location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on Telegram channel, you can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram, I will provide you there. If you don't know how to install, video link in description, you can directly go from there and check out it. After installing basic commands, continue your process by following my method. cd space paste location, press enter, then type ls, enter, then type php space board.php, then just press enter. So just wait to open script file. Okay, it's opened. So now here you have required password. Password also provided in my blog post where you download your script file. Also provided their password. You can copy from my article and paste here your password. Then you can just press enter. Okay, so password is correct. Okay, so now here we have required website cookies and user agent. So we will capture from HTTP canary. Go back and open your HTTP canary. Then first off, link your web browser which you use, and if you're a new user using canary first time, install CS certificate from setting. If you don't know how to install CS certificate, video link in description, you can check out. Then just click on start and open website. Okay, open. Then just reload your website. So it's difficult to capture cookies, so if cookies are not capturing, so just stop your canary, then start again, then reload again, try again and again, it will be captured successfully. Or you can use Q browser for capture cookies. It's on you. You can use Q browser and HTTP canary both. So here you can see it's not capturing, so just stop canary, start again. So just wait. Here you can see now it's capturing. It's captured successfully all cookies. Okay, so now just open your canary. Okay, then just stop canary, click on three dots, then click on filter. Now server host, so find here litecoinbits.com. okay, here you can see, so just check it, then go back, again back. Here you can see Litecoin bits. Okay, open that file. Here you can see the cookies, long press on cookies, copied, back to the Termux, paste here cookie, then just press enter. So now here you have required user agent. Go back to the canary, right, here you can see the user agent. Just long press on user agent, region copied, back to the Termux, paste here your user agent, then just press enter. So now here we have required API key. API key is totally free. You can directly go from link which given description and join Telegram bot. You will get API key and 5 ruble balance as well. When balance will be end, you can recharge if you want to recharge, but 5 ruble are enough for this script file. Okay, so copy your script file, copy your API key and paste here your API key, then just press enter, so now just wait to connect your account. Okay, login is success. Here you can see my account is connected, my balance and API key also showing. So just wait, it's auto faucet loading. When it will be complete, you will get your reward. Okay, here you can see bypass capture successful, and I got 100 bits which equal to 100 Litecoin Satoshi, which is directly added in my balance. So here you can see script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care.